We praise your holy name. We praise your holy name. Almighty God, wonderful God, we praise your holy name. Sing, we praise your holy name. Sing, we praise your holy name. Oh, living God, oh, living God, wonderful God, we praise your holy name. Oh, living God, oh, living God, wonderful God, we praise your holy name. We praise your holy name. Sing, we praise your holy name. Oh, living God, oh, living God, wonderful God, we praise your holy name. Oh, living God, oh, living God, wonderful God, we praise your holy name. Oh, your tiasifo, oh, when he would deny. Oh, your tiasifo, oh, your tiasifo, oh, when he would deny. Oh, your tiasifo, oh, your tiasifo, oh, when he would deny. We bring the sacrifice of praise into the house of the Lord. Sing, we bring, Lord, we bring the sacrifice of praise into the house of the Lord. As we offer unto thee the sacrifices of thanksgiving. As we offer unto thee the sacrifices of praise. As we offer unto thee the sacrifices of thanksgiving. As we offer unto thee the sacrifices of. Begin to offer your sacrifice of praise unto him. Begin to offer your sacrifice of joy, your sacrifice of thanksgiving. Begin to offer unto him. Begin to call him the great I am. Begin to honor his name. Begin to exalt his name, adore his name, bless the name of the Lord. Begin to bless you wherever you may be right now, in your homes, in your workplace, outside, wherever they may be. Begin to bless the name of the Lord. Everlasting Father, you are the only God Almighty, the only God all invincible. the one who has won the victory for us. We want to say, Father, we bless your name. We worship your name. We praise you. We lift your name on high. Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace, the living, the great I am that I am. There is none like you. There is none like you, Almighty God. There is none like you, oh our great provider. Our great provider, who is like unto you. The one who has won the victory for us. The one who has given us the breath of life today. And has counted among the living. We want to say thank you. We praise you now, Almighty God. We lift your name on high. We lift your name on high. Everlasting Father, Prince of Glory, there is none like you. The Creator King, the Co-Creator, there is none like you. You are the one who created the whole universe, the heavens and the earth, Father, and everything therein. We worship your name. We worship your name. We glorify your name today. We exalt you. We exalt you. Wherever you are, begin to exalt the name of the Lord. Begin to exalt his name. Begin to lift his name on high. Lift his name on high. Adore his name. Give him reverence. Give him follow reverence. Give him reverence. Bless the name of the Lord, because only he is worthy of all our praises. In the name of Jesus Christ, we give unto you the glory. Give unto the honor and all the exaltation. In the name of Jesus Christ, we worship your name. In the name of Jesus Christ. Last week I talked about Jesus and the 10 lepers. That only one came and then offered his sacrifice of praises. Let's be the one who offered the thanksgiving. So whatever that you're thankful for your life, for the last time, when I say thank you, mighty God, we worship your name. We worship your name. Begin to even claim every package. We always pray that in every service that the Lord bring his blessings, that he never comes empty-handed. So wherever you begin to claim the blessings, even in today's service, the blessings in today's service, begin to claim that it is yours. The blessings that he comes with, the protection, the success, the many ways that he makes, begin to claim it. Begin to claim these blessings now. That's increase of us, Father. We claim every blessing, Father, the package that you have for us today. The blessings, Father, even in today's service. I claim it, Almighty God. I claim your blessings. I claim your blessings. They are mine, Almighty God. I claim them in the name of Jesus. Every blessing that you have my name on it. Every blessing that you have my name. Everlasting Father, I am claiming it. Everlasting Father, I'm claiming it. In the name of Jesus Christ. In the name of Jesus Christ. I praise your name. I exalt your name. In the name of Jesus Christ. I worship your name. The Lord is laying on my heart to pray for children all around the world. Everybody that is a child, every child, all around, even in Europe, in America, in Africa, everywhere, every vulnerable person. Let's begin to commit them into the hands of the Lord. That every agenda of the enemy, even against the Lord, they will never prosper. Everywhere that is a child, every child in your family, every child all around the globe, begin to pray. If it's soaking their lives with the Lord Jesus Christ, that every agenda of the enemy, even against the Lord, they will never prosper. They will never come to pass. In the name of Jesus, the Bible says that the fervent prayer of the righteous availeth much. So begin to pray. Begin to open your mouth and pray. Begin to pray. I commit every child under the sound of my voice today. Father, I pray, Father, be protected, Father, Lord. If they're against the plan of the enemy, against the agenda of the enemy, in the name of Jesus Christ, that it will never come to pass. In the name, we praise the mighty God. We thank you, Father, Lord, for healing us. We thank Almighty God for saving every child. We want to say thank you. We magnify your name today. We want to say thank you. Thank you, Father, for you. In the name of Jesus Christ. It has become our tradition to always pray, even for people who are still under the bondage of the coronavirus. So begin to commit their lives even into the hands of the Lord, that the Lord protects them, that the Lord guides them. Everybody, that is under the coronavirus.
Father, bless your people in the mighty name of Jesus.
We pray for healing. We pray for deliverance in the name of Jesus. We pray for healing. We pray for deliverance. We pray for healing, Almighty God. Healing power. Touch your children. Let your healing power touch your children. Let your healing power touch your children. Even in the name of Jesus Christ. We pray for healing. We pray for deliverance. We pray for healing. We pray for deliverance. In the name of Jesus. Have your mighty God. We pray that you touch every hospital. Touch every care home. Every infant. Everywhere. That is it, but that's all. That is healing. We pray for healing. In the name of Jesus Christ, when I say power. We have thank you for healing power. In the name of Jesus. We worship your name. We worship your name.